When you join this course, you will be, for the first 5 weeks, in an intensive period of meeting weekly, each time going through specific skills, specific knowledge which will help you on the larger journey. We call this the Game Changers journey, and it's really the start of our process together, to focus first on yourself and on your own purpose in this world as it is today.
Following the journey, we will go to the second phase, which is properly called Embodiment for Social Transformation. On that phase, we will meet once every 3 weeks, all together, and in between those calls, you will have challenges that will allow you to explore different aspects of embodiment and social transformation. You will be able to meet with a triad that will support you in that process, and you will also have a one-on-one coaching support with one of us.
And we'll be utilizing experiences in the body and tools that you can be developing to bring out into the context that you're moving in.
We believe that it's really important at the beginning to light up a fire within yourself that will support you throughout the process, but also a fire among the group that we all will take care of. And that's why we start with that element that is represented in that process, in that plan that you will set up for yourself.
After that, we look at how to be resilient, how to flow between different modes of functioning, different ways of being, which in these periods of uncertainty is absolutely crucial.
Again, we'll be exploring what tools do you already have in resilience, and how can we support each other to stretch those tools, to become masters with these tools, and perhaps learn some new tools along the way.
In the third module, where we use air as a metaphor, we have specific embodied skills such as euphony and togetherness. We want to provide space for us to explore what does it mean to fly higher together.
And since we'll be using the internet and connecting internationally, we'll be able to find a modern version of this togetherness. We'll be using skills and tools that are available to us to broaden our horizons.
In the fourth module, we'll be focusing on Earth, on our resources, on money, on those things that ground us. How are we going to make happen this change that is so important to us? And we'll be looking at our relationship with money and what we project onto money. We'll be looking at how we are limiting our own ability to use money for the social transformation that we want, but also what other resources than money do we need? And how can we do what we want without thinking about money?
I'd be so curious to hear what you're thinking right now when we say social transformation and money, why these two things are so important. Just reflect in your body right now, how did that feel when you heard us talk about money and social transformation? And that's why we're bringing this into our journey.
On that fourth module, the metaphor that we use is the element of the earth, which is in embodied skills, it resembles the stability, the discipline, being constant in doing something, which is absolutely key in order to achieve your goals, in order to achieve or contribute to social transformation.
And then we will move in bringing all this together in the final module. We'll be looking really at how we can be one. And so looking at the issues of diversity, of discrimination, and how we can address those in a healthy way to create oneness.
So for me, the Samadhi is the experience of oneness, the experience of community, the experience of bringing all of these elements that we worked with before together, and seeing what does that mean in terms of the integration of the new sense of possibilities that we have for ourselves in the world.
And out of this wholeness that we be experiencing, embodying, we are able to be with the complexities of what the world is now showing us.
And in particular today, as we see so many issues around gender, race discrimination, and so many different forms where people are excluded or people don't feel and do not have the equal rights or equal respect even. For us, it's important to bring that in and create from a place where that is no longer the case.
So if anything that you heard in this video resonated with you, if what we were presenting made sense, please get in touch, reach out, get informed, let us know about you and your interest.
Or sign up.
We're looking forward to meeting you.